All right, everyone, we're here with Anissa Ingersoll, an admissions ambassador and superstar of the women's basketball team. In the month of December, she makes so many hoops, call her Anissa Ingersquall. Anissa, cookies or pie?
Cookies, 100%. I don't really like pie.
What kind of cookie?
Just a classic chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate chip? We're here with Kayla Hastings from the admissions office. Kayla, what's a scent that reminds you of the holiday season?
Probably pine, like a Christmas tree.
You heard it here first.
From all of us at SUNY Morrisville to all of you and yours at home, we wish you the best of the holiday season. May this time be relaxing and refreshing and enjoyable for you and your entire family. Happy holidays.